With all the headlines about home prices and rising mortgage rates, you may be wondering if it's still worth it to buy a home today. While both have an impact on affordability, you want to remember buying a home is so much more than just a financial decision. Here are just a few powerful non-financial benefits of home ownership. When you own a home, you can expect to feel a strong sense of accomplishment, a more meaningful connection to your community, a greater sense of privacy and comfort as you enjoy the features of your home, and the freedom to customize the space and make it truly your own. Even with higher interest rates, it can still make sense to buy a home today. That's because home ownership isn't just a financial decision, it's a lifestyle choice too. If you're ready to buy a home, let's connect today, because home ownership truly has the power to change your life.